In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use free trial in Renderforest. We'll walk through getting into the platform, what you can do on the free trial, and the limits to keep in mind so you can test everything with confidence. First, open your browser and go to renderforest.com. This is the homepage where all the design tools live: video creation, logos, mockups, websites, and AI features. To start your trial, look for the Try for Free button near the top of the page and click it. This takes you to the sign-in options. For the quickest setup, choose the Continue with Google option. When Google prompts you, select your account to proceed. If you're already signed in on your device, it will connect in a couple of clicks. No extra setup is needed for the trial. Once you land in your dashboard, you'll see the AI tools area. Here's an important note. Generating content with AI consumes credits. The exact cost varies by tool, and the trial includes a limited amount. When you run out, you'll see prompts to upgrade to refill credits. That's normal. Use the free credits to explore what each AI tool can produce and how it fits your workflow. Next, head over to Templates. This is where you can quickly start a project without building from scratch. You'll notice that some templates are free to use during the trial. Browse the categories, then pick a template that matches your goal, for example, an intro, promo, or slideshow. Open the template you like and click Create Now. This launches the editor so you can customize text, colors, media, and timing. As you work, be aware of trial limitations. Custom fonts and adding your own watermark require an upgrade, so those options will be locked on the free plan. The built-in styles and default watermark are available for testing, and that's enough to evaluate the look and feel. When you're ready to see the result outside the editor, choose Export. On the free trial, exports are limited to lower quality and will include a watermark. That's perfect for drafts, approvals, and internal previews. If you need high-resolution output, custom branding, or more AI generation, you can upgrade anytime. And that's the full walkthrough of using the Renderforest free trial. Get in with Google, explore AI tools with credits, customize a template, and export a test video. Try these steps now and see how the workflow feels for your projects.